Why do we need pickleball insurance to play there? The simplest answer is venues don't want to be sued. They just want to make sure legally that if something happens to one of the players, their butts are not on the line. That seems fair in my book. What do you think? We play at churches, schools, halls, just about anywhere we can fit our court, and we have to embrace the offering. The goal is to get in, play pickleball, pick up so it looks like nobody's been there, and donate to the facility. And if we have to buy insurance to do that, we will. Now, this was a long process for us. When we were asked to provide insurance, I had no idea how difficult the process would be. This is how it all unfolded for our league, because at that time, we were only a ladder league, not a club yet. I called some of our local insurance brokers near me, and their answer to me was, I have no idea what you're talking about. Pickleball? Pickleball is not something that a lot of people are used to hearing in the insurance industry. So I then asked, do you know of where I might obtain that type of insurance? Guess what they said? You got it. Let's say it all together. No. So me being me, I called my insurance provider, USAA. They were a little nicer, but I could hear the laughter in the background with a, sorry, we don't carry pickle insurance. Obviously, they were letting the other operators around them hear what they thought was the funniest request ever. Pickle insurance. With that being said, I know that I made several people's day with my request for pickleball insurance. So I put on my thinking cap. I went to the computer. I found there were a lot of people who had the same question as I did. Surprise! They were receiving the same laughter, cluelessness, and unhelpful responses that I had. The deeper I dug with my non-techie get-this-done hat on my head.
With all this being said, it was not done all in the same day.
I had to take breaks. Pickleball therapy breaks. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, after running into walls day after day with my hat shoved into my closet, I went to play pickleball one more time. And with that, I thought I need to give this insurance thing one more try. And guess what? Britney Spears popped into my head, and so I asked my friend Suri, hey Suri, can you play Britney Spears one more time?
Okay, playing Baby One More Time by Britney Spears.
So, with that playing in the background, I decided I would go into my closet, but when I got to the closet, my cat was laying on my hat, and she had thought, wow, look, my mom got me a new bed. No, kitty, that's a very special thinking cap, I told her. Meow. But now that it was wrinkled and covered with cat hair, I knew that it'd still work. I put it on because this girl knows how to roll with the punches. With that hairy, wrinkly hat on top of my head, I saw the light. Well, the light between the cat hair that was raining down. It was my light bulb moment. I thought, if I needed insurance and I was a sports center, where would I get it? I typed in sports insurance. Oh, I thought I was a genius. Bam, bam, bam! There it was, in black and white on the computer screen. Sports insurance. K&K, Sadler Sports, several listings. Sportsinsurance.com, esports. In the back of my head, I was wondering if I would get laughed at one more time. Oh my. I looked up the sports coverage and what sports they covered. And guess what? Pickleball was listed! Woohoo! The cat hair, wrinkly hat, pickleball gods were behind me today. I had hit the mother of all motherloads. Whoop! And I called that insurance company because, of course, I don't trust what the computer says. I really like to talk to a person. That's the non-techie part of me. We were able to sign up that day with an insurance policy in our email box for the church. Phew! That sounds all well and good, Noel, but how much does it cost? So the policy costs roughly $400 a year for up to 60 players.
How are we going to afford it? My saying is, not out of my pocket.
It's actually my husband's motto.
With that being said, I knew the money had to come from somewhere. Time for a little magic.
There are a few ways we have funded our insurance money, and I'm sure that there are a lot more. So if your club has another idea, please share it in the comments below. So here are a few of our ideas that we had. Number 1, charge the player a direct cost for the insurance every year. As you get more players, the cost will go down.
Some players might not find that fair, so just tell them that you're saving the money for the following year.
2, collect at the door. Charge a fee that helps cover the insurance. That one's nice, but I don't have the money to start the insurance in the first place. 3. Hold a fundraiser, a DINK contest, a small tournament, a bake sale, anything to get that money ready for the insurance. 4. Modifications needed to be made to all of my plans, of course.
And that's when running our ladder came into play, but I'll get to that in another video. Okay, so I'm going to summarize here. If you need insurance, it's not that difficult. But there is one benefit that I haven't touched on yet, and that is credibility! When you're going to a new venue to woo them over to pickleball, and you tell them that you have multi-million-dollar insurance coverage on your club and their facility, woo-wee! They get excited. They sit up a little more attentive than they were. These people got it going on. I hope this vlog has helped debunk the scariness of insurance for pickleball. Don't forget, if you have any more questions, please, please, please put it in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to make any comments down below.